Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play solo mode in Stumble, guys. Now it's a very easy process, just simply follow along. Now the thing for this to work is you need two devices to actually play solo mode in Stumble, guys. Now it's very easy if you have a laptop or a computer and a iPad or a mobile phone device. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Stumble, guys, on the device that you want to play. Now from there you go to party in the top right corner, and here you create a party. Now let's say you want to create a custom game. Now here you select all the things that you want and we create the party. Now from here the custom party is ready. Now you get your other device, let's say your mobile phone, your iPad or your computer, which I'm on right now using BlueStacks, and from there you can add a friend. Now simply add yourself to the game and start your game. From there you can play with yourself on a own server. Now that's it. From there you can leave with your other account and still play the game as a solo. It's very easy, and this is the only way to play solo on a Stumble, guys. Now if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. And thanks to you for watching.